Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I have this beauty here that I'm going to restore. This came from Queensby basement. I've been there for 20 odd years, but it's a beautiful piece and I'm going to restore. So this is the unit I want to restore. I'm going to have to treat the top. I'm going to sand it down, try to bring it back to the natural wood and then stain it. As you can see, there are handles, they are broken, so I'm going to have to get 4 new handles. I'm going to try to keep it similar to that one's there. And they have these beautiful clusters, and I'm not sure what to do with it. I assure you, I've been trying to clean. It's not working, so I think I'm going to remove them and soak them in some solution to try to bring the beauty of the casters. Let's see how it's going to work. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to paint. Say hello, Mia. I'm going to paint this lovely unit that I showed you. I have cleaned the casters the best I could. The casters turned out really good. I'm quite pleased with the result. I have removed the broken handle and the ones that are not broken because I couldn't find a matching pair. So I had to buy 4 new ones. I have sanded down the holes, filled them and sand them down. Gave a quick sanding down in all the unit, and today I'm going to paint. The paint I'm going to use is Sedona Matte Cabinet and Wardrobe Durable Paint. I have used in a couple of units in the house in the last couple of months. I really like the color. It's a very dark, very rich grey. So I have given 2 coats of paint and it's looking really nice. And I just started with the handles. As you can see, they are very nice. I got them in B&Q. They come like this in a big pack, all separate bits. But basically, you have the handle and this little plate that goes on the face of the drawer, and then we have this little one, this hooks in, and the same on the other side. Now these screws are too small for the thickness of the front of the drawers, so what I have to do, I'm drilling the hole first, and then I have to countersink with this little tool here on the inside so that everything fits together. That's another project finished. Beautiful table. As you can see there, the mistake completely gone, not visible at all. Very pleased with the result. It's a beautiful unit.